Take your lifestyle to a higher level at the Palms Apartments. This pet-friendly community holds an endless list of modern amenities, and all of them are available to our residents. We have open gardens, a large and small swimming pool, a 24-hour fitness center, and a clubhouse for socializing. The adjacent park offers a playground, tennis courts, and a baseball field. We offer 1-, 2-, and 3-bedroom floor plans with large contemporary layouts. Our homes include inviting living spaces, a private patio or balcony, walk-in closets with built-in shelving, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliance package, pantry, and dining area. Our prime location in Charleston is at the center of everything. Popular shopping centers and malls, schools and universities, airports, and military bases. We're also on the CARTA bus route and close to major thoroughfares. Call the Palms Apartments today to learn more.